Oh, hi my lovelies, how are you doing today? Thank you for being here and welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. My name is Jen and today we are going to make Arroz Caldo. Arroz is rice and caldo is some type of broth, and this is Arroz Caldo. This is one of the most famous dishes in the Philippines. I like to make mine a little thicker, but you can always add more broth to make it more soupy. So it's just rice and chicken and all those aromatics, ginger, garlic, onions, and then we add potatoes. When I make it, we always add potatoes because my daughter loves it that way. She likes it thicker consistency, and she likes the potatoes because it gets it more creamy. So I add potatoes, but normally, traditionally, you don't add potatoes. It's just rice, chicken, and all those aromatics. And at the end, we also like to eat it with some boiled eggs, and I always have chili oil on hand because I make big batch of it and then just add it to whatever dish that I make, and also some crispy garlic. Oh, yum. So let me show you how to make it. Heat a pot with oil, add the onion, saute until tender or translucent, and then add the garlic, the ginger, season them with some salt, 21 seasoning salute, and a little bit of red chili pepper flakes. Continue sauteing until aromatics. Now add the potatoes. Cook the potatoes for about 5 minutes before you add the rest of the ingredients. Now we're going to flavor them with some soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a little bit of fish sauce. Now you're going to continue stirring until they're combined, and then at that point you're going to add the rice and the shredded rotisserie chicken, add the chicken broth. Now if you want thinner consistency, you add more broth. And then we're going to simmer them. Simmer for about 30-40 minutes until the rice is cooked and the potatoes are tender. And then after they're done, you add the green onions and dried safflower. Now to plate this in a bowl, I like to add boiled eggs and sprinkle more green onions. And I always have chili oil and crispy garlic on hand that I add to my dishes, and it just gives so much flavor.